So today we're going to talk a little bit about forgiveness. I know it's your favorite subject. I know. And you're justified in your unforgiveness. I know. But is that so? Are you happy? Are you fulfilled? Do you feel joyous in the spirit of unforgiveness? So many people don't realize the harms and the dangers on unforgiveness on our mental state, right? If we're struggling with letting go of someone that has hurt us, it really does negatively impact our mental health. It really makes us in a doom and gloom situation. And even if you are suppressing those emotions, you don't realize that it's even impacting your body physically. And many illnesses and sicknesses come upon us because of that. And so I want to encourage you today that forgiveness is not for anyone else except you. Did you know that? You probably didn't know that, did you? So, forgiveness benefits you, not the offender. And so, you might be feeling like, okay, well, I'm going to let them back in, or I'm saying what they did is okay. That is not what forgiveness is about. It does not mean that you have to reconcile. It just means that you are saying, God, I forgive this wickedness of this person. You will deal with the repercussions of their behavior, and I'm going to let go because they are controlling my life. They are still controlling me, and I'm allowing them to because of my bitterness, because of my anger, because of my resentment, right? And so, in tune, especially if you are considering yourself a Christian, that behavior is going to keep you out of the kingdom, right? And so God is really revealing those, when we have malice and resentment and hate and anger, God is really revealing those characteristics in us because he wants us to perfect our character. And so that's not to say that we won't get angry, right? We won't, be upset, but he does not want us to hold on to it and foster it as a God. Because when we hold on to unforgiveness, it is our new God, believe it or not. Even though we're worshiping, even though we're praying, we are deceiving ourselves to think that it is really God that we're serving when it is the enemy that we're serving. So I encourage you today, don't allow your offender to continue to control your life.